Working in healthcare is a great place to start, especially in environmental services, because you get to see the background view of different departments and what they do. I work in an inpatient area, so I'm hands-on with a lot of patients. Personally, I love my job working around all different kinds of people. On my area especially, I think the longest time I've had a patient stay was a year and a half. Patients become family at that point. There are definitely growth opportunities here at Dartmouth-Hitchcock. I started as an environmental service technician, and over time I've become a crew leader in our department, and I'm in the process of trying to become a supervisor. In addition to working as an inpatient environmental service technician, there is also clinical work, an office cleaner, or in the common areas within the hospital.